Okay, I got this broken live center. I'm not sure where the other pieces are at, but I got this MT2 fixture here. What's the internal on this? Okay, we are at 874, 876. We'll shoot for 877. Do a 1 thou press fit. So I gotta make this piece fit on that piece. And on the other end of this, I have a pin that'll, it's probably too loose, but it'll loosely fit in here. I'm thinking with some super glue or some Loctite. It's just a live center, so it doesn't have to be that. Not going to be a lot of pressure on it. Spring pass here. That insert needs attention, I think. Okay. Well, I'd like to be that a little tighter, but it is vacuum tight. Okay, let's get that out, clean it up. Got the 3-jaw back on here. It looks kind of strange to me. It's the original chuck that came with the machine. Considering that the sixth jaw is quite a bit larger. And then there's the 4-jaw. Okay, I'm gonna put a little space in here. Several people have mentioned silver soldering. And that sounds like a good solution for eliminating the heat distortion. Maybe not. It has to get pretty hot for silver solder. But nevertheless, silver solder silver solder would eliminate the need for this step I just took. The solder would be in the joint, as opposed to MIG welding being on the outside. Yeah, on the inside too. I've created some inside there. It's not exactly V'd out, but I'm just trying to demonstrate the concept. Well, actually, I think that whole exercise was really just an excuse to do some machining. Like I said, I'm not quite ready to purchase my oil yet. You know, there's a matter of having a budget for what you're going to spend on your stuff, and there's a matter of having the excess money. But I get a new allowance first of the month, and we'll get some oil in that machine and get it running. Can't wait. So thanks, guys. Like and subscribe. Tell a buddy, bring a friend.